Hello everyone. Just want to do a quick update. We are in our final week of construction. The couch, just painted the plyboard and then we'll stain the rest, the outside. It's close to being finished. Walk in here. You see flowers on the wall in Violet's room. Judy's room's got trees. All the trim's painted. His room's close. Our room is technically done. These are closet shelves that had to be painted. Our bathroom got painted, of course. This bathroom is close, very close. And then here, we have the laundry room. I just got a shelf to go in there, and this is done. We have our refrigerator in its proper place. That used to be a pantry. You have our kitchen cabinets and stuff in. Look pretty nice with that quartz top. This right here is where our dining table and bench will go. We have Gabe's room, painted gold, which is awesome. And if you have to remember the first video, right here is where the big wall was that was removed. And that's about all, except for outside where we did the shaker siding. This weekend, we will plan to do the flooring and then wrap up by moving in next week. Flooring tomorrow. Thanks for watching.